Class, today I'm going to start a new topic, that is keeping healthy. In this topic, our learning objective is components of food, keeping a balanced diet, importance of nutrients, deficiency diseases, spread of infectious diseases, and how to prevent the spread of infectious diseases. Today I'm going to explain you component of food to start with. There are certain substances and minerals they found in food. They are known as nutrients. Nutrients are the component which are needed by our body for healthy growth, keeping fit, for energy. Nutrients provide the body with the energy it needs for everything it does, from repairing damaged cells to sleeping. So it is very important that we should understand the role of nutrients in our food and their sources. The main nutrients, the main nutrients that the body needs are protein, carbohydrate, fats, vitamins and minerals. Other than these main nutrients, our body also need water, water and water and dietary fibers, that is roughage. Now we'll start from carbohydrate. Carbohydrate are energy giving food. They provide us energy to grow, to work, because we need energy to study, to do our work. Then carbohydrates gives the body carbohydrate gives the body most of energy it needs. Wheat, rice, corn, fruits, potato, sugar, honey are sources of carbohydrate. They give us energy to work, to study, to talk, shout, walk, run and play. From the smallest action to the largest action, our body needs energy. In fact, we use energy all the time. When we are sleeping, when we are awake, we breathe all the time. Our lungs expand and contract when we breathe. Our heart pumps blood throughout our body using energy. All these activities need carbohydrate, right? It means that will our digestive system need energy to digest the food we eat? Energy, yes. Then protein, like with the carbohydrates, fats. Fats help maintain body temperature and protect organs. The body uses fats to maintain its temperature and cushion organs. It provides the body with high energy. When we eat more fats than body needs, the extra food gets stored as fat in our body. Then protein. Proteins, they are bodybuilding foods. They helps grow taller and stronger. Milk, paneer, dal, beans, these are the sources of protein. The cells of our hair, nails, muscles and blood contain large amount of protein. We need protein to grow new cells, repair the damaged cells in the body. Then vitamins and minerals. Vitamins and minerals, they help maintain good health. They are protective foods because they protect us from infection and diseases. They keep us healthy. They are found in fruits and vegetables, right? Then, vitamin C keeps the gum healthy and helps the body absorb iron. Vitamin D. Vitamin D works. Vitamin D works with a calcium and phosphorus to make strong bones and teeth. Other vitamins are also there: A, E, K, B complex. Minerals serve variety of purposes like calcium. Calcium, for example, builds bones and teeth and helps to clot blood. Iron is needed to build red blood cells, carry oxygen from the lungs to other body cells. Then water. Water is very important liquid. Water is important for many chemical reactions in our body because in our body chemical reaction takes place. Every cell in the body must be bathed in water. Water also helps the body get rid of waste in the form of urine and sweat. It also helps to maintain body temperature. And as you know that water makes up about 60% of adult body weight. And very important, with that also dietary fiber and roughage is there, which is very important, which we can get roughage from eating raw vegetable and fruits. Thank you.